Alright, listen up. Samsung just dropped the Galaxy S25 Edge, and while some of us thought it was just a wild one-off, turns out it's more like a teaser of what's to come. That's right, Samsung's apparently gotten hooked on the whole super slim smartphone vibe, and the upcoming Galaxy S26 series is jumping on that skinny train too. Plus, there's some sweet camera upgrades to look forward to. So let's back up for a sec. The S25 Edge basically showed us how thin Samsung can get, and guess what? It's not just about showing off. Word on the street is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also going to be shockingly slim, and now the S26 models are getting in on the action too. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Okay, they're not going to be as razor thin as the S25 Edge, but compared to their older siblings, total glow up. According to tipster Ice Universe over on Weibo, the regular S26 and S26 Plus are both expected to hit around 6mm thick. Yep, that's super slim. Even the powerhouse S26 Ultra is getting a diet, reportedly slimming down to the 7-point-something range. Just for context, the S25 Ultra was a bit of a chunky monkey at 8.2mm, while the S25 and S25 Plus sat at 7.2 and 7.3mm. So yeah, Samsung's hitting the gym, and these phones are losing some serious weight. But here's the cool part, it's not just for looks. Samsung's pulling off this diet thanks to some clever camera engineering magic. Apparently, a fresh optical structure might be the secret sauce, and if that's true, it could mean better camera performance and a sleeker form factor. Double win. Speaking of cameras, let's talk about that zoom game. The Galaxy S26 series is rumored to get a nice little bump in its telephoto powers. Right now, the S25 lineup uses a 10-megapixel 3x zoom lens, but the S26 could be stepping up to a 12-megapixel sensor. Translation: crispier zoom shots for all your creeping needs. And if Samsung throws in a bigger aperture or sensor, we could see a serious boost in overall photo quality. Now there's a spicy twist. Rumor has it Samsung might ditch the Plus model altogether next year and replace it with its S26 Edge. Nothing set in stone yet, but apparently, the fate of the S25 Edge could decide if we're getting a new Edge variant in 2026. Fingers crossed if you're a fan of those curved edges. But hold up, there's more. Samsung's not just slimming down hardware, it might be beefing up their software too. According to Bloomberg, they're in talks with Perplexity, that up-and-coming AI startup everyone's buzzing about. If this deal goes through, the Galaxy S26 series could come preloaded with Perplexity's app and services. This wouldn't be just another Meta Assistant app either. Perplexity's tech is kind of like the new kid on the A block. It handles advanced queries, gives follow-up answers, and even shows its sources. It's basically aiming to be a smarter, more transparent alternative to Google Search or Microsoft Copilot. And it's not vaporware. It's already live on Android and iOS, so this is the real deal. Plus, let's be real, Samsung's always been a little flirty with Google's ecosystem. Remember when they almost switched the default search engine to Bing back in 2023? Google was not happy about that one. So if they're cozying up to Perplexity now, it looks like Samsung's still playing the field. So, what do you think? Is Samsung onto something with this whole slim and smart approach, or are they just spreading themselves too thin? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments and let's geek out together. Until next time, take care and stay techie.